Are you looking to reduce inventory and be more versatile with your shelf-stable products? Time to meet Land O'Lakes Ultimate White Cheese Sauce. You can serve it hot or cold. Yes, cold. And it quickly integrates across a variety of recipe applications. From pasta to chicken salad, cold pizza to bento boxes. Use it for eat-in, take-out, or take-home. I'm Chef Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center. Let's learn more. Use our Ultimate White Cheese Sauce to enhance any hot pasta favorite to go. Expand your menu offerings. Use our cheese sauce to fuel a white pizza bento box. Cheese sauce can help you expand your range of cold to-go options. Now more than ever, operators need to be agile and creative. That's why these Ultimate White Cheese Sauce recipes work in the cafeteria, as grab and go, in the classroom, or to be consumed at home. Find more recipes and resources at landolakesfoodservice.com.